Hello, welcome to the Computational Genomics Lab. Today we are going to be downloading a file transfer program. What a file transfer program does is allow you to move documents from your computer up into the cloud and from the cloud back into your computer. For instance, an Excel sheet you might have generated on the cloud, and you can bring it back in and open it in Excel. And we're going to use free software on a Mac today, is what I'm going to show you how to install. CyberDuck. And so we're just going to go to CyberDuck and hit the download button. Be careful not to hit these open and other buttons because you will get other software you're not looking for. So I'm going to click on the CyberDuck for Mac OS for this video. You can also do it for PC, shown here. And in another video in the description, we will be downloading FileZilla, just another file transfer program. So now I can open this up, double click on the zip file I got, and drag it to my desktop, and I'll eventually just move this to my applications folder here, and then open it up and saying allow it to open, and we're going to cancel out of that. And so what this first is going to need to do is we're going to need to open a connection here. And so we're going to open an SFTP, which is a secure way of communicating with the cloud. This is for the students in the CU Boulder class. What you would do here is we're using the server called vg.colorado.edu. My username and my password here, and then we're going to, in another video, also show you how to make keys so you don't ever have to type your password in again. But as you can see, I've just logged into my supercomputer on the cloud, and I can now take any sort of file like this run.sh file here is going to transfer, and I can open it up in a text editor or something else and look at that file. So we've just gotten CyberDuck, free macOS and PC software, to be able to transfer files from our computers to the cloud and from the cloud to the computer. You'll see this will become very handy as we go along.